Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Google Cloud Dataflow, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Google Cloud Dataflow, begin by navigating to the Google Cloud website. If you don't have an existing Google account, create one. Once your account is ready, go to the Google Cloud console. In the top right corner, click on the Select a Project drop-down menu. Choose New Project to create a new project for your Dataflow tasks. Enter a name for your project and select a billing account. Click Create to finalize your project setup. Now, ensure that you have the necessary APIs enabled. In the navigation menu, select APIs and Services. Click on Library to browse available APIs. Search for Dataflow API and click on it. Click the Enable button to activate the Dataflow API for your project. Next, it's time to set up your authentication credentials. In the APIs and Services section, click on Credentials. Click on Create Credentials and select Service Account. For Dataflow, you can assign the Dataflow admin role. Click Continue to move forward in the setup process. Once your service account is created, you'll need to generate a key. Click on the service account and navigate to the Keys tab. Select Add Key and choose the JSON key type. This file will be downloaded automatically to your computer. Next, install the Google Cloud SDK if you haven't already. Follow the installation instructions on the Google Cloud SDK website. Once installed, open your terminal or command prompt. Run the command to initialize the Google Cloud SDK. Authenticate your account by using the command provided. Now, set the default project using the command cloud config set project, your _project _ID. You are now registered to use Google Cloud Dataflow. You can begin creating and managing Dataflow jobs from the console or using the SDK. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.